Welcome back to another episode. It's currently Monday, it's just went 2 o'clock exactly. Been out all morning, excuse me. I've been out all morning looking at jobs. So first of all this morning woke up, answered a few emails and then had a few job inquiries, so just went nipped down the bud and got them seen today. So I am currently just starting to price up all our jobs from last week and now the couple from this week that I was out and seen. So yeah, so just working on that. Didn't realise how much time it actually takes going out, looking at jobs, meeting people. We usually just take it in a stride during the week, but when you actually realise the amount of time you need to spend on it, it's quite unbelievable actually. It's probably another day or two of your week that you squeeze in from who knows where. So yeah, just currently working on a couple of prices. I've got a wee couple of sketches to do for clients as well, and I'm just basically pushing all our Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, basically just pushing everything a wee bit more. We stopped looking at jobs for a while there, so I'm just trying to drum up some business again. So yeah, so that's where we're at the minute. I'm just going to keep pushing on and getting all this sorted and hopefully get a few prices back to people today. Some good news, that's the van being returned. So thankfully we've managed to get the clutch sorted. And obviously, of course, you don't get stung for one thing at a time. I had 2 baldy tyres as well, so I keep a set of steel wheels just in case I ever get a puncture or whatever. So I've got 2 steels on the back and I ordered up a couple of tyres that will get fitted and put the alloys back on. But yeah, thankfully that was a very quick turnaround, so I'm very appreciative of that. Obviously I get bumped up the queue a little. So yeah, so no, really happy to get the van back, and we'll be back on site tomorrow to start this media wall with the fireplace. But yeah, all going well, and yeah, really happy at the result of that. So out of a bad situation, it all ends well. Whew. It's currently Wednesday and we're back on site. Didn't get any filming done yesterday, bad boy. Yeah, just under pressure trying to get the job sped up after our wee mishap with the van on Friday. So yeah, I'll take you inside, I'll show you what we've been doing. This is the media wall. We're currently just plasterboard and putting shelves on it in. So yeah, we've got the big kind of superstructure built. Superstructure, it's a media wall, Adam. So we've got the structure built, and yeah, we're hoping to get all the shelves and start the cabinetry tomorrow. So I'll take you inside, I'll show you what we've done so far, and yeah, you know it. Here we are inside. So yesterday I managed to get, excuse the mess of the place, managed to get the TV opening all set, all the sizes are sorted, a couple of wee dwangs and whatnot still to go in, but yeah, it's all good. The opening pit for the fire's been done as well. We've got more framework to build in the back of that, just to sort that out. Currently just wiring up the shelves and whatnot, so we've got timber studs in the back of these here. These will carry the shelves going across. All the shelves are going to have LED lights. We've got the fireplace going in, the telly, so it's going to be quite a nice looking wall. It's all getting plastered as well, which will be nice instead of just taped and filled. So yeah, we're still going to use the back wall here. That's probably not going to get plastered as it won't need it. It's already finished. We also got the alarm guys, or the cable guys, out to put the new feeds in for the TV. So yeah, so that's us. I'm just going to put this top board on, and yeah, double sheet this top section just so we can get the LED. It's a what is it? It's a rebated or a plastered in lighting channel, so that'll be cool. I've used them once before, but I've not seen them in a few years. So yeah, looking forward to it, and I'll keep you updated with the progress. Great amount of work done yesterday, so I worked on a wee couple hours, so about 7 o'clock. So managed to get all this done, plastered. These are all temporary stitched on for the electrician coming. Sockets cut out, wiring in. The aerial cables are sorted. These are going to get cut out for the fireplace. Also got the LED lights all in, which is great. So yeah, really good progress yesterday. Hoping to get the cornice started at the minute. Tommy's out building the cabinetry for the 2 bottom sections there and there, and I'll be in here getting the wee cornice done that they've got. So we're just going to try and match in with the original as best we can, and yeah, it's all coming together good. 2 more days left on this, so a wee bit of pressure. We're working late tonight again, no doubt. Electrician's out this afternoon, so yeah, looking forward to getting it all done, and fingers crossed we've not got too much of a hellish day tomorrow. Good wee day yesterday, managed to get all the lights in and the fire on, so nice wee transformation. Unfortunately the camera doesn't pick up the lights very well, but it's the cob lighting which goes right the way up, so it's nice and bright if you want it to be. So yeah, it's all looking good, and we will continue the day, get the worktops finished, and yeah, we'll catch up with you at the end of the project. That's Tommy and I all finished up in this job, so thankfully we've got it all finished for Friday. So here's the finished result until the plasterer comes in on Monday. He's expecting a baby over the weekend. I think the baby's due on Tuesday, so fingers crossed we've not got an early present. So yeah, here we are, and this is it all ready for him to go. So yeah, that's everything. All the lights are controlled on the LED driver, so you can dim them right down. Look absolutely great. We've still got the, I think it's called the opals to go on the face of them. And yeah, we'll pop back once the plaster's all finished. We'll get the TV in and we'll show you everything that's been done. Yeah, basically the client's getting their own painter on this job as well, so hopefully we'll be able to get back and see it when it's all finished. But looking forward to seeing it all plastered next week. We'll see you in the next job. We're back to the south side next week. We're there for a whole month, so quite a good project to run you all through. We've got 3 rooms of panelling, we've got a media unit, we've got doors to do. So yeah, looking forward to that one, and we'll see you next week.